I'm learning. I had to start learning because I've got 14 of these or more. I think I've got more like 20. Inside unit's running and that one's not. Isn't that, aren't they separate?
Yeah.
Aren't they backwards?
I don't know.
I think they're backwards. Inside unit's cycling. Hello? How you doing?
Hey.
Did you know I was in here? I hope I didn't scare you. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I thought Rebecca was standing out there.
I was just about to text Jennifer to see what the update was.
Have you been in here with it?
Yesterday, yes.
Did it start doing this craziness?
Yeah. It's been doing this glitching crazy.
I mean, it's not that old. It came from Duke Energy. It's one of their things.
She said that.
I mean, this is stupid.
It's crazy.
Well,
It's like it's glitching or something.
it is. It's like it's got a. I mean, and if I hadn't seen it do that, I would have said, well, there's nothing wrong with that. But that's
Right.
bizarre.
It's very bizarre.
Can I work on top of this? Is
Yes,
that okay? Did you notice? Did you pull it off and look at it?
Oh, no.
No, I mean, this is hot.
Oh, I didn't know. No, I was scared to touch it.
Why would they make that so you couldn't change the battery?
Oh, you can't change it?
I mean, she said it had some sort of internal battery, and she's telling the truth. There's something.
Made into it?
Yeah. You know that's what it is, right? It's got to be. Is the unit running when it was working? Did the unit
It started running hot air. Like, there was no cold air. Which I didn't know that until a girl came in and was feeling it. And I was like, yeah, it's not getting cooler.
Well, the thing that when I walked in, I could hear something. It sounded like it was short cycling.
It does it itself.
Which there's several things that'll cause the indoor unit to short cycle, but there's no, the outdoor's not running.
Not running up.
Yeah, it's not, at least the outdoor unit I think is swapped. It's supposed to, instead of it being on the right where it's supposed to be, I think it sits on the left.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one more time just because I want to see it. Is this your station I'm in front of?
Yes, ma'am, but it's okay. I don't know if my acrylic will set in this.
Oh, in this tent?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
So I may have to, yeah.
Now I got a blank screen. Okay, well, no, there it came with that weirdness on it. Yeah, it's hot in here. It is hot. Let's see.
It's hotter than it was yesterday. Yesterday I made it all day, but.
Oh, okay. Let's see. So, let's do this first. Let's see if it's got.
Got all those
Trash cans.
Yeah. You can turn this light on right here, right?
There was,
Thank you.
I'm assuming whoever's got their dogs in town, there's poop bags in the roadway. People have been running them over with the car.
Oh my God.
Gross. So this is one of those Duke Energy ones.
Yeah.
That battery doesn't look like it comes out, and it's giving every single thing is coming on. I'm trying to see if it's got 24 volts coming to it.
It wasn't
doing nothing. Where's the unit? Is it all the way there in the back?
Turn around. I think it's behind you.
Or is it up? We got 28. We're good. I don't think there's anything wrong with this. I think
you are gonna have to put that breaker before you hook that up.
Okay, well, we're going to have to go find it.
See Ryan over here to fix that.
What?
That awning. It'd make your mother so happy. Okay, here we go.
I still have voltage.
You still have voltage.
What if the units aren't back?
What if
it's
aren't
turned off their AC?
Well, that cut out that cut everything off. All right.
Rubber gloves sit right there in the tray.
Okay, you want to push it out till next week?
I had to start learning because I've got 14 of these or more. No, HVAC.
Okay.
Or more than that. I think I've got more like 20. Because we've got 14 properties and one of them has 5 in it. And
And our guy,
he's wonderful.
For years and years, did everything. He just decided to retire about 6 months ago, and you're like,
What am I going to do?
What are you going to do?
That's the bad part about that.
Yeah.
You don't know what to do.
You can't find anybody to work on them, so.
I'm sorry I messed your appointment up.
Oh, no, you haven't.
Will they come back if I get this up?
I've got one coming at 10. She's insisting on coming anyway, so we're going to try to make it work.
She said she didn't know if her acrylic would dry.
Ooh, that would be bad.
Yes. One time the heat was off during the winter one day, and it would not set up. I mean, it took me 5 hours.
Oh my gosh.
That's not crooked, is it?
Mm-mm. The other way was crooked.
Dang it.
There you go.
That's good, isn't it?
Look good to me.
Okay.
Now comes the fun part.
Gotta jump that red. It was set up as
Jump red or
red to red.
Red to red.
Because it's a heat pump. That one's got the frayed end. I don't like frayed end. If this one's not frayed, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay.
All right.
I look at that.
You're assuming it's the same.
I'm assuming it's the same. Does that look like that's in there?
Let me see. Take a look and see.
But that drops down.
Which one bit?
This one's easy to change. It's got, if it works. Let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. Come on, get in there.
Well, it's working because it's telling you the temperature right now is 81 degrees in here.
Okay,
Okay, wait.
Can you help me?
Come over. You're going to have to come look at it from this angle. You'll have to rock it in from one side. There it comes. Do you hear it?
You want me to go flip breakers?
Well, you gotta, I want to see this thing come on. So here we go. So the fans come on. Good sign. Okay. Alrighty. So when you hit that breaker, we'll see which one of these it is. I'm pouring sweat.
I am too.
It is the exact one. Look here. Just the boxes are backwards, not the units. Right? There you go. And this one's off too, Amanda. Okay.
I didn't flip anything in this one.
No. Okay. It's a running. Full, it's drawing. Can you feel any cool air coming out? Yeah, I can feel it coming.
so.
Yeah, she's got a probe. She can stick up there and see what the temperature is, but it's coming out. So,
Oh yeah.
It don't
Yeah.
feel warm.
no.
It feels cool.
Hop right into it. Look at it.
It should at the bottom, but it's working. It's good enough.
I don't
What-
know why
what-
it's sitting away from the wall a little bit.
What temperature did y'all ordinarily keep it on in here?
Yeah.
73.
Okay, so
I don't want to pull it off again.
God
but
no.
That's in, but I don't understand why the back's not.
Let's cut it on.
It's on 71.
They want it on 73, and then that way
But-
it'll. But it's. I can feel it.
Yeah.
It's cooling. Yeah. Thank God. Well, I'm sorry you had to cancel your appointment.
No, it's fine.
Alrighty.
She's coming.
All right. Well, let's see. What's your one thing you need?
That makes me mad. It's sitting away like that. I don't know why.
The wall is not straight. It's not
Have I
square.
got it too tight?
What? The thing on
Plastic.
the wall? It's possible. I wouldn't stop this
I
now.
don't want to. I don't
about
want
it.
to.
No.
We don't care.
Okay. Awesome. We got them cooling again. So my tenant called and said that the thermostat was acting crazy. It had all kinds of numbers and stuff on it. Like everything was coming on. And it wasn't cool. So when we walked in, I could hear the unit short cycling. It was the inside unit was turning on, turning off, turning on, turning off. But the outside unit was not coming on. So we changed out the thermostat. I was a little confused about my red wires because my red wire had a jumper on it. So I just did it exactly like it was before, and it came right on. So everything's good. It was cooling. I told her to call me. But this is Duke Energy has a program here that they do replacement of thermostats and also lighting, and we paid to have that whole building done in LED, but this is the one that was giving me problems. But I just went to looking for a battery, and I didn't want to touch that because that battery's not marked with any numbers, but that appears to be the battery for the unit. So I had to replace it. This is just something for looks like something for Wi-Fi, direct link Wi-Fi. But I mean, that was a nice thermostat. I don't know what the heck went wrong with it, but it may have just been a battery. But I can't change that battery out. Might be fun just for kicks and giggles to give it a shot and just see if I got one that matches it. But I think they want you to get a new thermostat. We're learning. You can learn right along with us. See you next time on Creekers Country Club.
Because your wall's not level.